All right, we're way up in Anthem, beautiful Anthem at the back of the mountain. On the top of the mountain, we've got a beautiful place here for sale. It's going for $685. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,000 square feet, built in 2005. Let's go take a look in it. Nice thing, it's got this extra whole little suite out here. It's like a guest. It's got its own bathroom and everything in there. We'll go take a look at that later, but beautiful landscaping. I love that the pebble walkway, just delightful. Go take a look in here. All right, we're coming into this beautiful place. It's got 3 bedrooms, and it's also got this study right here, which is real nice. Look at this place, it's really nice. Nice ceiling fan, nice big workstation, little office space in here. And then we come into the main big living room area. This is 19 by 16. This whole area, you could have all your TV and everything over there. Ceiling fans, and then you've got the nice space over here where you could have your little dining zone. The dining zone here is a 19 by 6 space, 19 wide. And then we have a nice big kitchen space. Love the island, the kitchen island, looking very nice with the countertops. The stainless steel appliances, very delightful. And you've got a nice big dining area here. And looks like we've got a nice pantry zone, in here. Very nice. Delightful kitchen space. I love the counter. You've got the island right there, and then plenty of nice counter space here. And then you've got like a bar, a breakfast bar right here with the counter coming over this way. Really, really nice. Very nice space. Then we have 2 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms in this part. We have, of course, you've got your laundry room in here. That's all looking really good. I like that sink, the way they've done the countertop on that sink. Modern appliances. Then we've got the 2-car garage right here. Nice big 2-car garage space. You've got a water softener right there. Then we have this bedroom here. We've got a 13 by 10. We've got a nice ceiling fan going up there. Nice big bedroom, 13 by 10 with a built-in closet. And then right next to here we have a bathroom. We have the first bathroom. It's a full bathroom. Very nice. Counter's looking really good. And then we also have the second. This is like your primary bedroom. This one here is, it's a really big room, the primary bedroom. It's 24 by 14. Nice big space, 24 foot by 14. Nice ceiling fan and lights. Very, very nice. And then we also have a big walk-in closet here. Look at this. Really nice. Very nice big walk-in closet. Really nice big space. Excellent. There's your bedroom, walk-in closet, and then you've got the full bathroom over here. Very nice. So you've got the standalone tub, it's very nice. The walk-in shower, dual vanity, dual sinks, and Mr. Waterloo over here. All right, so that's the main part of the house. And then there's a separate, like a casita, which could be a guest house or a separate room. We'll take a quick peek at that. That's right outside here. So this becomes your 3rd bedroom. And it also has its bathroom. So what a wonderful place this is. And this one here is like a 13 by 11 space. Nice. Nice big space, plush carpet. Nice built-in closets right there. And your own bathroom, full bathroom, vanity, full bathroom. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so then that's a really nice deal. So especially if you're retired or something like that, and you want to have your guests over there. And then let's take a quick peek outside at the backyard. And here we go. Look, you got a beautiful big covered patio right here. Very nice. That's the primary bedroom right there. You got someone with their air blower next door, and then you've got what I like here. You got a big shade tree, and this is synthetic grass right here. Really nice. synthetic grass on both sides. Really nice. It's good for the upkeep. Like low maintenance, very low maintenance yard right here. Really, really nice. All right, like this, really nice. It's totally low maintenance. You know, the desert landscaping, the synthetic grass out the back. You know, everything here just designed for perfect for retirement kind of home. Really nice, in great condition. All right, so it was just over 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. That includes the extra bathroom, the bedroom behind me there, and the casita. Really nice. Hey, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. You ready to move in? You retired? You want to go for it? All right. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.